Instead of making a to-do list, make a stop-doing list. In the pursuit of productivity and self-improvement, I've learned an invaluable strategy that contrasts the traditional approach of making to-do lists. This chapter explores the concept of creating a stop-doing list, a tool that focuses on identifying and eliminating unproductive, harmful, or time-wasting activities and habits. Early in my personal development journey, I heavily relied on to-do lists to structure my days and set goals. However, I eventually realized that identifying and ceasing counterproductive behaviors can be just as important as pinpointing tasks to accomplish. A stop-doing list is about consciously recognizing and addressing the things that hinder our progress, well-being, or happiness. It's a deliberate effort to identify the actions, habits, or even thought patterns that are detrimental to our goals and overall quality of life. The process of creating a stop-doing list begins with self-reflection and honesty. It requires examining your daily routines, habits, and behaviors to identify what is not serving you well. This could include procrastinating, spending excessive time on social media, engaging in negative self-talk, or maintaining unhealthy relationships. The power of this list lies in its ability to free up time, energy, and resources that can be better utilized towards productive and fulfilling activities. By eliminating these negative or unproductive elements, you create space for more positive and constructive endeavors. Implementing a stop-doing list can also lead to improved mental health and well-being. Often, our mental space is cluttered with habits or thoughts that contribute to stress, anxiety, or unhappiness. Identifying and consciously working to eliminate these can lead to a more peaceful and focused state of mind. Another benefit of a stop-doing list is enhanced focus and clarity. By removing distractions and time wasters, you can concentrate better on your goals and the activities that truly matter. This sharpened focus can lead to higher productivity and a greater sense of achievement. It's also important to approach this list with flexibility and patience. Changing habits or behaviors is a process that takes time and effort. There may be setbacks, but the key is persistence and a commitment to self-improvement. Furthermore, a stop-doing list can enhance personal growth and self-awareness. It encourages you to regularly evaluate your actions and choices, fostering a mindset of continuous self-improvement and learning. In conclusion, while to-do lists are valuable tools for goal setting and organization, the stop-doing list is equally important for personal growth and productivity. It's about identifying and eliminating the barriers to your success and well-being. As you continue on your journey, take time to consider what might be on your stop-doing list and how addressing these items can positively impact your life. Remember, sometimes what you don't do is just as important as what you do.